Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lina.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Adam.
And I'm Lina. We're really happy you're here today.
If you enjoy calm and easy English conversations, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
So let me ask you something, Adam. Have you ever gone shopping and felt a little confused about prices?
Oh, yes, many times.
Good morning, Lina.
By the way, it's a nice morning today.
Good morning, Adam. Yes, it is. The weather is cool and the street is quiet.
I feel a bit tired today, but shopping helps me wake up.
I see. Shopping can be fun. Where are we now?
We're at a small local shop near my home.
That sounds nice. I like small shops. They feel friendly.
Look at this shelf. There are many items.
Yes. Let's start with something simple. What do you want to buy first?
I want to buy bread and milk.
Okay. How much is the bread?
Let me check the price tag. It says $2.
$2? That's not bad.
Is that cheap or expensive?
Cheap means low price. Expensive means high price.
Oh, I see. $2 is cheap.
And how much is the milk?
The milk is $3.
So the bread is $2 and the milk is $3.
Yes, the total is $5.
Good job. Total means all together.
Total means all together. Excuse me, Lina. How do I ask the shopkeeper about the price?
You can say, how much is this?
How much is this?
Perfect. You can also say, how much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Very good.
Oh, I like these apples. How much are these apples?
Nice question. For many items, you say are, not is. Apples are many, so you say, how much are these apples?
Oh, right. Thank you. How much are these apples?
They are $4 for one bag.
$4? That feels a bit expensive.
Maybe a little. Expensive means high price, remember?
Yes, expensive means high price. I have a small problem.
What is it?
I only have $10.
That's okay. Let's think. Bread is $2, milk is $3, apples are $4. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is $9.
Oh, that's good news. I can buy all of them.
Yes, you can. You still have $1 left.
That makes me feel happy.
Me too. Shopping is easier when you check prices.
Lina, can I ask another question?
Of course.
When do people usually go shopping?
Many people go shopping in the morning or evening. Morning means before lunch, evening means after work.
I usually go in the evening.
Me too. It's more relaxed then.
Relaxed means calm.
Yes, relaxed means calm.
So today we talked about prices and shopping.
Yes, and we learned how to ask about prices.
We practiced how much is this and how much are these?
And we learned cheap and expensive.
And how to check the total.
That's right.
I think I'm ready to pay now.
Great. Let's go to the counter.
Wait, Lina, I see something interesting near the counter.
Oh, really? What is it?
It looks like a small discount sign.
A discount means a lower price.
That sounds exciting. Let's take a closer look. Oh, Lina, look at this sign.
Yes, I see it. It says discount today.
Discount means lower price, right?
Yes, discount means you pay less money.
That makes me smile already.
Let's read it together.
Okay. It says, buy 2, get 1 free.
That's a good offer.
Offer means a special deal?
Exactly. An offer is a special deal.
I like special deals. Lina, I feel a little confused.
That's okay. What's the problem?
If I buy 2 chocolates, I get 1 free. But how much do I pay?
You pay for 2 only. The third one is free.
Oh, I see. Free means no money.
Yes, free means no money.
That sounds nice, but I only want 1 chocolate.
Then maybe this offer is not for you today.
True, I don't want to buy too much.
That's smart.
Excuse me, Lina, how do I ask about discounts?
You can say, is there a discount?
Is there a discount?
Or you can say, is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Very good. Sale also means lower price.
Sale means lower price. I see a bottle of juice here. How much is this juice?
Let me check. It's $2.
$2 again. Lina, is that a good price?
Yes, it's a fair price.
Fair means okay, not too cheap, not too expensive.
Exactly. Fair means reasonable.
I feel more confident now.
That's great to hear.
Confident means I feel sure.
Yes, confident means you feel sure.
Oh no, I have another small problem.
What happened?
I forgot my wallet at home.
Oh, really?
Yes, I only have my phone.
That's not too bad.
Really?
Many shops accept card or phone payment.
Accept means they say yes?
Yes, accept means they say yes.
Excuse me, do you accept card payment?
That's a perfect question.
Do you accept card payment?
Very polite.
If they say no, what can I do?
Maybe you can buy fewer items. Or you can go back home and come again.
That makes sense.
You're doing very well today.
Thank you, Lina. You're very supportive.
Supportive means I try to help.
Supportive means you try to help.
Exactly.
The shopkeeper is smiling. That's a good sign.
Yes, friendly people make shopping easier.
I like friendly shops.
Me too.
Lina, can I practice one more question?
Of course, go ahead.
Where can I find the rice?
Very good. You can also say, where is the rice?
Where is the rice?
Perfect.
And what if I want to know the size?
You can ask, what size is this?
What size is this?
Size means small, medium, or large.
Size means small, medium, or large. I think shopping English is very useful.
Yes, you can use it every day.
Every day means daily?
Correct. Every day means daily.
So today we talked more about discounts and payment.
Yes, and we practiced asking polite questions.
Like, is there a discount?
And, do you accept card payment?
I feel more relaxed now.
Relaxed means calm.
Relaxed means calm. Lina, after we pay, what should we say?
You can say, thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very nice and polite.
Okay, Lina, I'm ready.
Great. Let's pay and leave the shop.
After that, maybe we can go somewhere else.
Oh, where do you want to go?
Maybe the clothes store next door.
Clothes shopping uses different words.
Really?
Yes, prices, sizes, and colors.
That sounds interesting.
Let's step outside first.
Okay, the weather still feels good.
Yes, perfect for walking.
I see the clothes store sign already.
Then our shopping is not over yet.
Wow, Lina, this clothes store looks bigger than I expected.
Yes, it does. The lights are bright and everything looks neat.
I feel a little shy here.
That's okay. Many people feel that way.
Excuse me, Lina, what do I need first when buying clothes?
First, you look. Then you check the price and the size.
Okay, I like this blue shirt.
Blue is a nice color.
Color means how something looks, right?
Yes, color means blue, red, black, and so on.
How much is this shirt?
Let me see the tag. It's $15.
$15? That feels a bit expensive.
You can say, it's a little expensive.
It's a little expensive.
Good, that sounds polite.
Lina, is there a cheaper shirt?
You can ask the staff, but let's look around first.
Okay, I see another shirt here. How much is this one?
This one is $10.
Oh, that's better.
Better means you like it more.
Better means I like it more. What size should I get?
What size do you usually wear?
I think medium.
Then you can ask, do you have this in medium?
Do you have this in medium?
Perfect.
Oh no, this one is large.
That's okay. Let's ask.
Excuse me, do you have this in medium?
Very nice question.
I hope they say yes.
If they say no, you can ask for another color.
Lina, what does fit mean?
Fit means how clothes feel on your body.
So if it feels good, it fits?
Yes, if it feels good, it fits well.
I want to try this shirt on.
Then you can say, can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Exactly.
The fitting room is over there.
Yes, take your time.
Thank you. I'll be back soon. Okay, I'm back.
How is it?
It fits well.
It feels comfortable. Comfortable means it feels nice and easy.
Comfortable means nice and easy. I think I will buy this shirt.
That's a good choice.
Choice means what I decide.
Yes, choice means what you decide.
Lina, I see a sign again.
What does it say?
20% off today.
That's another discount.
I'm not sure how much that is.
That's okay. Let's do it together.
The shirt is $10.
Yes.
What is 20% off?
It means you pay a little less. $10 minus $2.
So I pay $8?
Exactly.
Oh, that's great.
See? Shopping math can be simple.
I feel proud now.
Proud means you feel good about yourself.
Proud means I feel good about myself. So today we talked about clothes shopping.
Yes, and we learned about size and fit,
We practiced, can I try this on?
and how to talk about discounts.
I feel more confident in stores now.
That makes me happy.
Lina, should I buy anything else?
Maybe you can look at shoes.
Shoes?
Yes, there's a shoe store across the street.
Oh, really?
Yes, and shoes have prices and sizes too.
That sounds interesting, but I feel a little tired.
That's okay. We can walk slowly.
The day is still nice.
Yes, and the street is calm.
Calm means quiet and relaxed.
Exactly. Calm means quiet and relaxed.
Let's step outside again.
Okay, take your bag.
I'm ready.
Good. Our shopping story might continue.
I wonder how much the shoes will cost.
Let's find out together next.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Mr. English Official
And keep learning with us. Bye-bye.